When he kick off all the like singing all the cup.
Toto. Toto. Where's the pizza? Okay, jump here. No. Just half and half one. I'm two sides.
And there's something there with the iron.
One side of every.
Where am I? The man is going there and kick off but you know stealing all the cup.
Why you have to get two sides? I make too much cutting. You know one putting none.
It uneven.
You know how to
That this should have come up like a tip more. With a early. Because in a line with the block, you see it? The second block. To make the cross go cross. You don't like.
Oh.
You see what I say now? Look. The block and the block. Them a line together.
Oh.
Yeah.
Long this one.
Yeah. So maybe if this come up a little bit more, you would align.
You make the T.
Yeah.
This.
No, this it have to come up more from right there. So. You know see what I say?
To make it T.
No.
Straight
This if this make right as on a level, cause if this come out like more or something that would have level with that. Cause remember say yeah make a T go cross. So yeah, so what you have to go do now is cut it, even though it's still in a line.
We have to cut off here so.
Cause you have to line it.
And piece will have to cut off here so. You understand? You line it for your
If you get the T, like look on them there, so them the line right across and over there so too. Yeah. And then you'd have cut that one there for fitting that. You never have to lift up that still.
Let's cut it.
Oh. Just ensure so the T is line.
Let's cut it. Yeah, we got that up there.
You will dry it up a little more.
Okay. So you're lining it. No, you never line. So me tell him say it's for line. Like that?
Interesting about your song, she said in a line up.
Hey, yeah. Way better than one in our see everything.
I mean, really that part.
Do you cut piece and then fill it in?
Yeah.
Nothing now grow there, so. A bush with that.
No bun bush weed man. Print our go and feel.
That's heavy. That's heavy.
You love it back.
Yo, but we ain't if you drink no rum, you know.
That's what I want.
Because you're not sick, you know, drink no more rum, man.
So I drop it at that space. I cut pizza black and drop it like Going to look like a moon up from last night,
What?
Though you know you come work and you set up this morning till the broad light.
Yeah, that's what you bro, like.
And I will post still look at them in you.
I should have my gonna be this morning.
Berra! Then I will like that.
Hmm?
Hey, I'm to go.
Me not drink all night either.
Come back again.
One and son to come.
I'm not familiar with them for the headstone.
I don't understand how this account done already.
What?
The video them. Yep.
You declare this something there? I must know what happened.
Now go in it. I'm so going it and see.
But if I'm straight up to my left from, I'm butty that way. I'm through my scooter now function. Let's see, come scooter down here. Down in a Christmas. Yeah. So anytime if you move, I have to move. All what you want to come and see me. Funeral of a rich man. And then come out here. So did that man. Alright. I made to walk, come up the road yesterday. When I come, and I walk from down a boat. From right up to Marga.
I respect him, so that will make.
Supposed to have another bag. How much back come up?
I don't know.
One more down there.
And the King Kong,
This don't look like it all done
and
too.
the Ruffian and everything. Ruffian.
The tile now go down today. I don't know.
Around the side them this and put up.
And the bush warrior.
Take me all the things I mix it with
Yeah,
cement.
bush and we don't come
Eh?
until
All the things I mix it inside with cement. You just mix it up.
alright. And lunch.
All the growth of where you put between the tile them.
When him finish.
Food, yeah, milk, yeah, alright.
So, Baba, after you're done, alright, do what you do. We want to see the headstone. We want the headstone go on to them. We don't want to left and go.
So you have to go come back up here again.
Yeah, man, that's everything I done today, man.
How you that time you
So I don't want to sit down, so.
It's a dry.
Yeah, but you don't know where we are down, so go and carry.
Love Fred.
You know, we got the second coat here.
Draw one more coat.
It look like a goal now.
Yeah,
I tell you, say that I like a goal.
The back looks whitish.
if you even touch it, man, if you even sprint, carry come. Go on, man. Alright, we done talk.
Man, cold like high sea, you know.
Hmm.
No
Listen,
I
man.
problem.
You sit down for your caca. Ooh.
Tell them, Corey.
Me tell him, say, yeah, you see me now? Yeah, man. In the morning, in the St. Mary here, you find overcast. You will get little morning dew. When you see otherwise from after 10, 12, you find sun burn you till you're sick up here, man. Tell me, I tell you, St. Mary State. We hardly get water up at them places, you know. We don't get the heavy rain like one time, you know. Just little dewing. So we give thanks to the little catchment of the water from Jah. Rastafari. Yes.
Baba, what you do over there now?
Yeah, me go and see me can plunk put in the meantime, you know.
Alright.
I want to before you go see, I want to go, you know.
Yeah, man, I want to go now anytime now. Alright. Oh, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Oh, the boy come to you, come to tell you, man, eh?
David,
Yeah.
money have to climb, you know.
Money? You can't climb you now. I work from the that time.
What? Me start, you know.
Wait, you start?
You know, see?
Well, if the money not there, we not fit to sit next. What you say?
Yeah, we'll try to see if we can get the footage.
But you are work or you are sit down. You gonna get
Him always
lazy.
a sit down,
No,
man.
sir.
Come on, I reckon you have to hook, man.
Yeah,
I are work. No, sir.
they put him in a bucket, Bobo.
I'm going up on the 2 minutes to mix, man. You go out to mix in a bucket, man. You know what I'm saying? 2 hours to mix out in a bucket, man.
No, Bobo, I love some deep things.
You like it deep?
Bobo, you love some deep things, man. Sure.
Broad, even like it's a bamboo. Where you can store it.
And buy
Like when you
chicken.
have a one so
No, but not man. Curry, draw the further and die for.
you want one piece of broad something like one piece of stick. You couldn't work, you couldn't need some Bobo?
That, oi.
Ah,
Them bun?
story roll, just story, spinning roll in there like
They're not supposed to bun. Remember them big enough, so we have to make them swap. Good.
story, yes man, story. You alright. No, you see that.
Curry. Here, piece of that 5 piece, for them to line.
Story up now. Spin on the chicken knife. Do what it is. Drive. Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I need man.
No, sir.
You disappoint the poetry, I am, you know.
Come like say I kill you.
Yes, man, it's stiff, you know. It's stiff, so you have to work it.
Mm-hmm. I look how him just cozy back.
For him,
Yeah.
oh, I know him back pocket today, I'm pushing him back pocket today. You cut out it. Right, I know him back pocket today. Really? I think like that, you have it to go with him. Have you get to the road, eh?
Come here, I'm going to cut the front tire now. I'm here with it now, no?
Tight.
I and them there.
Pari, I finish in our mama this me. But I have to leave the work, man. And then go and finish up. But me not pleased at all. We have like a painting for the up this upon the angel. Me don't want the angel to be golden. So we still have a little next coat for it and write up this so. So we'd have to leave the last time, we'd have to leave. Me get the cross. But so that little finishing here, it not really to me suit. Him have to go fix up to us another little fixing up for me. But at the end of it, I'm mama that. That's my mom. Look better than, but me and the workman have so we have a score for go circle. Like that. So everything right cross. Yeah, sister there beside her. That's her, one of her oldest sister. And this is she. She look like a better one she this year. But me and the workman have some score for circle. So we have to go do some little touch up there for me. But anyway, I eat that. And me like the color of the tile when I pick. I did want to have a different look from everybody else. And all of that. This is my father. This is, this is Isaac. And my brother. So my little brother Kitty P. When I tell everybody about. These are the two I did break down. So you have here so kind of fix back up. So when me ready now, I got tile off Kitty P. I so tile off Kitty P when me ready. And then probably make them just paint out. Because him headstone they already made so paint it up back. This are my auntie. So my auntie. This are my, I think this is my grandfather. Yeah. Yeah. And this is my grandmother. You can see them at two me. From when them at two me, can you see how they stand up and look different? Them here sepulchre di. Never sepulchre them. All this one put a little concrete in here. So what is? Me and the mason man have a score for second, but and this I have do over too. So I kinda me not so fully pleased with mama, but and this paint over because them did mix it something funny. And so there goes mama again. Alright, stone up there so and me blot out her name now, nobody see my mother name. Because people just too much. My mother, she's my mom. But you know, I get the cross, right, Uncle Murphy?
True.
But look more neatness could I go on. So
Yes.
so I don't know how I'm going to deal with it, especially down at end there so. You have to go fix right there so.
Down there, so.
Yeah, you have to straighten up this. So this one, me have more time leave back.
Yeah.
So you can break up back that and stuff. And so.